Hi everyone, this is Cody, W3AMG with BridgeCom Systems, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing and do a real-time setup and demo of the AnyTone 578 plug-and-play package bundle that we offer. Alright, so it looks like the package just arrived. I'm super excited. Let's go in and set it up. Okay, so now we're going to unbox this radio. So got my unboxing knife here. Crack this open. Okay, so got some paperwork here. Shows what it was programmed on, what frequency. That was pretty cool. Got a operation guide. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna set that aside. Read through that here in a minute. Got some packing peanuts. Awesome. So here's an Ethernet cable. Where it looks like we're gonna need that. Okay. Here is the DV Mega hotspot itself. This is gonna be awesome. And hopefully we got the radio too. We have the radio. Let's see if there's anything else inside of the box. There we go, awesome. This looks like it. We're gonna crack open the radio real quick. Got instruction manual, everything like that. Get the radio itself. There we go. Set it down here. And got the bracket for it. Open up this compartment. We have the power cord. Comes with a couple fuses on there too. That'll be very handy here in a second. Got the Bluetooth PTT push to talk button. And we've got a charging cable for that Bluetooth button. Here we have the programming cable for the actual radio. It looks like it is just a standard micro USB. And here we have the mounting hardware and a couple extra fuses. Looks like we've got a mount for the speaker mic. And then finally we have a little Velcro strap for the Bluetooth push to talk button. So you could actually put this on your steering wheel in your vehicle and pair it up to your vehicle's audio system and use it this way. And over on this side of the box, we have the GPS antenna. So if you want GPS to work, like APRS, everything like that, you can actually mount this in your vehicle somewhere and connect that up to the radio. Not necessary if you don't want to use that feature, but we do have it. And then finally, we have the speaker mic for the radio. So this has got a keypad on it. It's actually backlit. Pretty cool little speaker mic. Okay, so we got the radio itself. We're going to unbox the DV Mega next. So inside of here, we've got the DV Mega itself. And then see if we have a couple extra goodies inside the box. We have the power supply for it. So this looks like it is a regular micro USB as well, but I believe it needs to be at least 2 amps for the DV Mega. And finally, we have the little antenna, so we'll go ahead and put that on top, attach it, perfect, and get out the power cord here. Gonna plug it in over here. Plug in the DV Mega. There we go. I'm going to take our Ethernet cable, open it up. Okay, so with the Ethernet cable, we're going to plug that into the DV Mega and then plug that into our wireless router. So, just plug it in the front of the DV Mega here. And got our wireless router. So just on the back of it, I'm going to plug it in. Just like that. And there we go, the DV Mega should be all set up. Now for the radio, really all we need to do here is plug in that speaker mic. I'm not gonna put any mounts on it yet. We're just gonna leave it on the table. And then I've got a power supply here, a BridgeCom LPX18. That's what we recommend using for it. At least 15 amp power supply you will need. And then plug in our cable here to that power supply. And we are all set. Go ahead and turn that on. And then also I've got an antenna. We have a tri-band antenna we highly recommend for it. I've just got my bench here inside, just this little dual band antenna, but it'll be perfect for this test. Go ahead and connect that up to the radio here. Okay. I can put something underneath here so you can see it. So I'm gonna fire up the radio and we'll see if this works. So I have not done anything to this radio yet. It's all been done by BridgeCom. There we go. Got my name and my call sign. How awesome is that? Okay, so here we are. Looks like we can scroll through. So we are just gonna start off with the parrot. That's what it was on, but yep, we got everything in there. That's awesome, all the talk groups, and it should be set up for me. So we are going to try it out. Here we go. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is Cody, W3AMG. Try that again here. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is Cody, W3AMG. Now this also includes BridgeCom University, which is our video course on bridgecomuniversity.com. We usually sell it for $97, but when you buy a radio or a package from us, we just throw it in for free. Now while this is pre-programmed, if for some reason you want to change the programming down the road, this is a great resource and a great way to learn about DMR. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is Cody, W3AMG.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is Cody, W3AMG.
There we go. Awesome. So it took just a couple minutes to get set up there, and we are on the air. So let's go ahead and try that again. This is Cody, W3AMG, trying out the new AnyTone 578 plug and play bundle. Just set it up here in a couple minutes. Awesome.
This is Cody, W3AMG, trying out the new AnyTone 578 plug and play bundle. Just set it up here in a couple minutes. Awesome.
There we go. So it's really that easy. We set this up here in a couple minutes, showed you everything that's inside the box. So here it is. If you'd like to get one of these, we have this bundle available for you. All you have to do is provide us your call sign and DMR ID, and we'd be happy to make one of these. So there will be links in the video description. Hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, I'm Cody, W3AMG 73.